Hello, it's Jean from Inky Owl Studio. I'm here with a journal share of 2 journals that I made with the same kit from my Porch Prints Winter Woodland, and I will link down below where to get the kit. I'm going to be doing this one first, and I will put down in the description box where this particular journal starts. And if you want to skip ahead to this, you can do so. So this is the TN. It is about 8¼ by 4, and to measure that out, it is 4¼ by 8¼ is the measurements. It is held together with an elastic band, which you can remove if you would rather just not have anything. It has a little owl charm. I like to add owl charms to my journals. And there's like a cloth in the background that's been hand torn with a sewn on piece of ephemera and some burlap behind this word. So this is the outside of the journal. Inside I have here a pocket, 3-fold pocket with small tags and medium-sized tags here. Love these winter woodland animals. They're so cute. And then in the back is a long tag with a lovely cardinal on the top and a eyelet there at the top there. So I'll put those back in later, and this is the 3 pockets there. And then this is the first page with winter, and inside this pocket is a little journaling card, and I have placed an owl here down below. This is not part of the kit, but I just felt he went so well. So I've sewn around a lot of the ephemera. And I have a series of tags and journal cards that I've attached with a rusty paper clip and some yarn. If you don't care for the yarn, these can be removed, easily by going around and taking them off. But I won't take them off here. I'll just show you the front because the backs are plain. And I have hand stenciled in navy blue some snowflakes on this piece of parchment paper. Here's a receipt, ledger paper, a pocket with a tag inside, another pretty tag sewn around. Tried to find different pages that had winter themes and the blue colors. And here is an envelope with a little journaling card tucked inside this pocket. And this is a window envelope that has a large tag sewn around with a cloth tab. Here are some more paper, some vintage music paper, some hand-dyed blue paper, a doily, another tag there. Just love these papers that she has in here. And this is the middle. I've left these long in case you want to attach something to them. Otherwise, you can snip these off. Most of the pages are blank to have put your own personality inside of them. Here's another envelope with a little card on the inside. So pretty. Love this little deer. And then, of course, on this side is the window envelope with another mega tag that's been stitched around. If this is stuck to that a little bit. Yeah, a little poetry and a winter scene. Here's another tag, a beautiful stag in there. Pocket with a cute little tag tuck inside. More of that stenciling, some blue graph paper, a Another tag attached with a rusty paper clip. And there's a pocket in the back for your own storage. The center has a cloth in the spine so that it can hold up well. And like I say, you can remove the charm and then pull the elastic out if you don't care for it. So that is the TN journal. Now for the envelope journal, the small envelope journal, and that is about 5 by 7. I have in front here some of the eyelash yarn that kind of trims out the bottom with Artie Mae's label, Journey, and of course more fabric, hand torn fabric behind it. It closes with a seam binding ribbon. And here is the back if you wanted to see that part. And the first page here is a gatefold that ties closed with string. And you open it up and it has plenty of room to put like a photo, do more journaling. And stuck inside here is a very large tag, kind of a mega tag stuck inside of there. And here is a beautiful, lovely stag. And so this is one of 2 mini journals that are put inside, and they just basically have plain paper ready for you to write or do what you would like. And one side of the little journal fits right inside that pocket. There is cloth on the spine to keep it secured. And I've left these long in case you wanted to put something on them. Otherwise, they can be trimmed off. Here's a page, and these pages I feel can be really good for like a photograph or something of that nature. Oh, there's a little bit of scrap there. This is a flip up with, I've sewn in some yarn, some eyelash trim yarn at the bottom, sewn around the digital there, and then on the inside is a place for journaling, and here as well. There is a pocket for you to slip in maybe things you want to store in here. Here's a 3-tiered pocket with, of course, tags and journaling cards. A little cabin, so cute. So those go in the back there. Here is a window envelope flip. I have put in a little charm down here, a little owl charm with this really pretty button. It's kind of hard to appreciate on the camera, but it has a really blue shimmering that I thought really went very nicely with all this beautiful navy. Just absolutely love the colors in here. So a place for more writing or photographs, and inside here is a tag. Here's the second mini journal in there with beautiful wolf on the front, and this is the same collection of paper as the other one, and it also slips inside that pocket. Another page where you can either put a photograph or put journaling or however you want to use that one. A CD envelope that flips open. And inside is the journaling card that you see in the front, the really pretty cardinal. I have slipped in this pocket a bunch of little words, little winter words that you can use to embellish your journal. And of course, another empty page for you. And so this then is the envelope journal. So thank you so much for viewing this, and please subscribe. I'm going to be starting a new project soon and would love to have you join me with it. So you have a great and crafty day. Bye.